Hey guys, so today, it's pretty early, but we will be, we will be using Wolfie's main auto shotgun. We will be using it. I already eliminated the boss, which I'm going to be turning that into kind of a video, but we'll be using the specific shotgun to win a game in a video. So let's get into it, since I'm already in. Let's go. Gonna get some ammo. So good over there. I need that. Let's go. Whee. So guys, we will only be using like Mern's. It said Wolfie's. We will only be using Wolfie's main auto shotgun for this. Only be using it, and I can't use any other weapons. I also need to find the other boss. I didn't actually know this was a boss, but there's another boss too. I think it's somewhere in the Grand. I think he's somewhere in the Grand Canyon. Not here. I was gonna set a mark. Where's the Grand Canyon? Oh, hold up. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. There's nothing over there. I just shoot for random reasons. Let's go. And let's go. Here we go. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna jump into the 0 point charge. What bad could possibly happen? Hold on. Ah! There is over. I belong to a cycle. Let's go. Okay, over here. That's basic. That's an audio. Let me see. I'm gonna see the audio.
The 0 point is destabilized. The 7 are restless. And we're facing unimaginable odds. Jones said nobody knows the 0 point like you. He's not wrong. You need me. We do. Very much.
Get out. Let's go. Run! Okay. No, I'm gonna pump in. I'm finna dodge every single bullet in the field. Okay. Easy win. It's just easy. I'm out. Please let me out. Okay. Jump for it. Let's go. ask y'all a question. How is this like an iron? It's like an auto shotgun when it doesn't have auto on it. Make it make sense. I also saw Keanu Reeves over here in my last video. Please tell me he's over here. Let me see. No? I need to check for myself. Let's go. Okay, no. Somebody else. Keep on. No. And he also had somebody with him in the face. Okay, let's go. Squibbly shore. Yeah, that is good. Let's go. Is that a boss? No, that's just a chair. Let's go. Okay, where is the boss? I need to find a boss. Where is it? Okay. Please don't nobody be here. There we go. Jump it. Is there any other bosses I should know about? No? Then I'm leaving. Let's go. Ooh, what's that? Purple gem? Check it out. Oh, I'll take it. I wanna read. Okay, let's go. Whoa. I'm out. There's a storm. Yeah. Let's go. question is, what is a vault key? Should have that. Hope nobody's using. Oh, okay. I don't have a driver's license, but at least I can drive. Oh, no. I missed it by 1 inch. That was close. Good parking spot. Yeah, that was lucky. Lucky. Let's go. Get him! Let's go. Let's go. Oh, he also had the pulse right. Run. Distraction. I need distraction. Extract it. Gotta go. No! Oh my gosh, bro. I was trying to extract it. Oh my gosh. My gosh. Why? Why? Okay. Well, I'm gonna go cry. I'm actually gonna go cry. Now I can make random customizations. And now I'm actually very mad. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later in the next video, and peace.